Hey guys, Andy here. Well, it's Wednesday, March 31st, 2021. It's been raining. It's been raining this morning. Look at this. Yeah, it's been raining like this all morning. Yeah. God, don't work on Wednesdays. So tomorrow through Sunday, it's supposed to be sunny all weekend. I guess won't be busy on Easter Sunday though. I guess people will spend time with their families and whatnot. Yeah. Yeah, the rain woke me up this morning. I can't believe this. Yeah, I can't believe the rain woke me up this morning. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this all day today. From I think it ran around 9 o'clock this morning until about 9 o'clock tonight. So that's a good 12 hours of rain. Got work tomorrow. It's supposed to be a high of 52 tomorrow. That's cold. Yeah, April 1st, April Fool's Day tomorrow too. Yeah, I'll be pulling no pranks on April Fool's Day. No way. All you guys in my job don't pull no pranks on me. Nah, they won't do that to me anyhow. They're not. Nah, they won't be. Yeah, April Fool's Day. It's a normal day anyhow for me. Yeah, April Fool's Day will be just like a normal day for me at least. Yeah. Yeah, way back in elementary school and middle school and high school. Yeah, I think mostly in elementary school we used to pull pranks on each other. That was the good old days for me, no doubt. So tomorrow's April Fool's Day. Pull pranks on each other if you have to. Yeah. My pajamas. No, it could be nothing. I don't know. Dude, I'm growing my beard out. Can you guys see that? Dude, I'm growing my beard here. I'll let it grow for another month or so. And I'll grow my hair as well too, as you can tell. Anyway, gotta go. See you guys.